Welcome back to the channel. My name is John Savvy, and this is Best Email Marketing Software for Beginners in 2025. So guys, watch till the end as I review three softwares that you might want to consider as your email marketing software. So guys, the first entry that we have is GetResponse, and so far this is the best one I can find on the internet. And guys, if you want to avail a 30-day free trial, you can just simply click the link down below in order for you to proceed directly onto here. Now, after you click the link down below, it will redirect you over here. And right away, you could create your account, or you could just simply continue with Google or Microsoft over here down below. And now, once you are signed in, from here, as you can see, right away, you could explore GetResponse features. So when it comes to the marketing, they have here build an audience. So from here, you could just simply select start tutorial. And when you select start tutorial, it will redirect you to another tab, which from here, it will teach you a step-by-step guide on how to set this up. As you can see, guys, this is a friendly user software that I can find on the internet, and they have multiple categories, and they have also content creation over here, and most of the features that it have right here is AI powered. So guys, for example, I'm gonna go for a start campaign over here, and from here you will have a multiple list of questions and just simply provide the solution over here. Now once you have provided your info, you could just simply go ahead and select a tone over here, and you will have multiple options if it's informative, formal, friendly. So let's say I'm going to go for inspirational and select next step. And from here, just simply provide a color palette to your business. So let's say I'm going to go for pastel over here. And after that, you could provide a logo over here, but this is just optional. And just simply select generate. And from here, as you can see, our campaign is underway. It is providing us a landing page, welcome email, and our newsletter. So pretty much it will be just providing a small info, and AI will do the work for you. And from here, as you can see, once a category is done, you can just simply select edit a landing page over here. And after that, it will redirect you to the edit tab, which you can edit your own website, or you can personalize it using this software right here. And pretty much it has a basic tool. When you select a image or element, you should be able to see the different tools that you could do with this element over here on the right side. And of course, you can change the text based on your own personal preferences. And pretty much from here, it is just self-explanatory. And now let's move on to the second website. So the second one is a MailChimp. So we just simply go for the MailChimp.com, and this will be the homepage. Now from here, just simply select sign up. And from here, as you can see, when it comes to the email marketing, they have a contacts of 500. You have to subscribe for $10 per month for 12 months over here, and should be able to see the features right here. And they have websites as well. And pretty much when it comes to the free stuff, you should be able to see here transactional email. And from here, you could just simply try for free over here. And after that, just simply sign up with your email, provide your business email, username, and password, and just simply sign up. Now from here, an email will be sent to you. So go to your email. So the email will look something like this, and just simply select activate account. Now from here, guys, just simply provide your business information. And now once everything is done, so from here, you can just simply select try our demo. So now guys, for the demo, you will have 500 emails that you could do and experiment with this website. And from here, you can send to any email address on a verified domain, and you could have up to 25 emails per hour and up to 100 inbounds email per day. And test emails in this demo do not expire. So here on the left side, you should be able to have the homepage, and from here on the homepage, you could just simply go ahead and start with a template. So guys, template will help you customize your email marketing ready to use. So from here, let's say I'm gonna go for email over here and click create email. And from here, guys, as you can see, when you select an element, you should be able to see here on the left side on different tools that you could do to customize it based on your own personal preferences. And pretty much the website is easy to use and it is friendly beginner. And now once you have done customizing it, as you can see, you will have just 3 categories over here. Now here you could change it to a desktop and phone. And once you are done with everything, you just simply select save and
Now
exit.
guys, as
On
you
the
can
top
see,
right
when you go
corner.
to campaigns over here on the left side, you should be able to see the email that we did earlier. And from here, you will have here automations, which of course you can automate and provide a flow for your email. And you will have multiple templates over here that you can start with. So you will save time with these templates over here. And that's simply about it. This is a good website as well. And for the third software that we have kit.com. So from here, this is a free marketing software tool as well. So this will be their homepage, kit.com, and you can just simply select start free trial over here. And from here, of course, you have to create an account. So just simply provide your name, email, and password. So guys, once you are signed in, this will be their homepage right here. So the most important thing about this is you could just simply go to the grow over here at the top, and you should be able to just simply select landing pages and forms over here, which you could create a landing page and just simply select create a new over here, guys. And now from here, you should be able to have 2 options, either landing page or form. So for me personally, I like landing page. So just simply select landing page. And you should be able to have here multiple templates that you could choose from or to start with. And if you want to minimize the search results, you could just simply filter it out over here on the left side. So for example, I'm gonna go for webinar. For example, I am selling a webinar, and from here, you will have an option to preview it or choose it. So for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and select choose over here. And now it will redirect you to the editing page. So as you can see from here, if you like this photo, you can keep it. But if you want to replace it, just simply select it over here. And after that, you could just simply customize this based on your preferences. And of course, on the right side over here, you should be able to edit it out based on the element that you chose. Now guys, once you are done, you can just simply select publish over here on the top right corner. And after that, as you can see, you can just simply copy this landing page over here. And after that, of course, you could just simply send it to your emails. They should be able to get redirected into your landing page. So guys, this is a good website as well, because as you can see, not only they have landing pages, they also have broadcasts over here and email templates that you could choose, and you will have sequences, but this is a paid features, and you should be able to have automate as well, and you should be able to have earns as well. So pretty much these 3 sites are very good, guys. And there you go, guys. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.